Hi guys, this is 2007 Camry 2A acid engine. So this car has a problem with this side blowing the cold air and this side blowing hot air. So we turn on the AC. So we get the cold, blow high, but this side blowing the hot air and this side is a cold air. So we have to remove this part for the servo motor AC for the hot air blowing. So we need to undo this, the passenger side, the glove box cover. So, and you can see in here there's a servo motor located into there. We have to remove that one. So we have to unscrew that two bolts. So you can see here some lever. Okay, we install the new two screws. So after that we can turn on the AC, and you can see the blower motor is now working. You can turn the knob. So all good. So after that replacing of the servo motor, so we can blow the air. This side also good, the blowing cold air, and that side also blowing cold air. So that's it, the end of the video. So thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one. Thanks.